5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, so today I will be showing you this easy do-it-yourself Rhythm Nation costume that I did for Halloween this year. So if you are interested in how I got this look, then keep watching. So here's everything that I will be using for this DIY project. Everything mostly came from Walmart in the craft section. And then I got these baking platters from the baking section. And then I would use an all black hat instead of the one that I have in this clip because the print will show through. And then I printed these 1814 printouts from the computer. So let's get started. So these black gloves came from my local Citi trends, and then I'm using this cardboard paper thingy that I got one of my Amazon packages in. I wanted to use something that was like flexible, so I cut a strip of that and wrapped it around the wrist of each glove and measured and cut that. And then what I'm gonna do is wrap each strip that I cut with aluminum foil and glue it with a hot gun. During this step you remember which glove will be the left glove and which glove will be the right glove before you glue each piece on, because I totally forgot and I had like two of the same gloves and had to redo it. Alright, so after you cut out each printout, lay it on top of the cake platter and lightly trace the outline of each pendant. I would definitely take your time with this step. It is time consuming. I did mess up and had to redo it, but it'll be worth it. And then also make sure to put something under the cake platter so you don't ruin the surface that you're working on. I was on a time schedule, so I was rushing, but definitely take your time. You don't want to cut yourself and you don't want to mess up. I was having problems with this blade, so if you have a preference of a brand or whatever you use to cut, I would definitely use that. It easier to cut in layers. It made it easier for the insides to pop out like you see me doing here, but I basically cut deeper and deeper each time I would make a cut, and my fingers did hurt for like 15 minutes after this, but you'll be okay. Maybe it was just the tension that I had, but definitely cut in layers. Next thing I did was measure how long I wanted my chain and how I wanted the chain actually to fall on each side. So I just broke it with my hand and made sure I knew on the back end of it how I wanted to glue the chain so that it would hang the way I wanted to, if that makes sense. Gluing the safety pins on the back of each pendant. I did find that it could have been more sturdy. They did last a few hours, but after a few bumps, they definitely were broken. So I would put more safety pins if you can, or if you know of anything else that would make it more sturdy, then I would use that as well. of the 4 on the original pendant. It was cut out, and of course I didn't want to do that. Plus it's 2019, so I wanted to add some more flavor and to add some bling. Halfway down the middle, I sprayed my hair down with water, and then I used my gel and Denman brush to smooth everything into a mid-low ponytail. You don't have to have a middle part if you don't want to. That was just my preference. I was wearing my hat most of the night anyway, but I braided the back of my hair all the way down, and I folded it and secured it with a closed bobby pin. That I use will be in the description box, but I decided to use this 16-inch Brazilian body wave from Mega Look Hair, and I used the closed bobby pin to pin at the end of my braid, and I wrapped all the way from bottom to top, and ever so often I secured it with another closed bobby pin. I used Chipper from this Moodstruck Addiction palette and brushed it all over both eyelids. I used my Rimmel Kohl pencil for eyeliner, and I applied some false lashes. I'm using this bronze glittery highlighter out of the Knick Knack Dual Blush palette, and I believe it is ND001. To line my lips, I use NK Makeup Bold Lip Liner in the color red. And then I also use dark brown to line the outer corners of my lip. And for lipstick, I used I Am Adaptive Matte Liquid Lipstick. Now, Janet had a signature red lip, and you know I had to add some bling, so I used Eye Candy's liquid sugar base mixed with their loose glitter and cherry bomb, and I pat that all over my lip. I bought this signature key earring from Romwe.com, and it was only $1. Oh, I totally forgot to wear my gloves with this, but I definitely love the way it turned out. Thumbs up this video if you do too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you were for Halloween.